Welcome back. Working and viewing numbers can sometimes be boring or hard to see the big picture of what the data is really trying to tell you. It is sometimes easier to show your audience a picture or a chart to display your data. In this lesson, we're going to look at pie charts to help you tell your story of the numbers you have in front of you. As you can see, in this spreadsheet, we have 4 regions and percentage of sales for each region. We're going to make a simple pie chart to visually show this information. Begin by clicking anywhere within their data. Control A to select everything that you're going to include in this pie chart. For now, I'll go ahead and delete this chart so that you can see from the beginning. So once you do this, you're able to go up to the top menu, click on Insert, and look in the middle region here. You'll see Recommended Charts, Maps, Pivot Charts. So today we're going to focus on a pie chart by clicking on this down arrow and a simple 2D pie chart. Once you do that, you will see chart tools, design, format, and so on. And you'll see across the menu here so many different options to modify this chart. I'm going to move this closer to our data. And you can see that there are also buttons on the right that we can actually modify this chart with. Beginning with this top one here, add and remove elements such as a title. You have your title right up here. The legend down here on the bottom. And also data labels. Well, we don't have any data labels in here. We're referring to these percentage of sales for the data labels. So we can easily do that by right-clicking on one of these pie sections. And it gives you another menu. If you go down to the bottom here, you can go Data Labels, select the arrow, Add Data Labels. And there you go. So we have a simple chart here. Now pie charts are good for small amounts of information. You can see that if we had so many other options, this pie chart would have a lot of different sections on it, and it may be hard to read if it's too large. On next lesson, we'll look at a trend line and so forth. Okay, so if we wanted to further format this chart, we do have these options here. Below is the chart styles. If I wanted to change the chart to something else, I can do that. Pre-selected already. You even have color options. And you can see on the screen what it would look like if you select it. And you also have filters. If you wanted to take one of these regions out, you can do that. But let's leave that for now. Okay. Like I said, on the top there are different menu options as well that you can pre-select by selecting them here. Let's go back to design. Here's your color options as well up here. But to the far left, you see Add Chart Elements. There's your chart titles. Where do you want them located? The chart title. Data labels. Center. Inside. Outside. Best fit. Or you can do callouts. I think I like that. And of course the legend is where do you want the legends. And you can actually, you saw how we can move the legends around. One last thing, you may want to use this chart in a Word document or a PowerPoint. I would open up a document and let's say I want to place it down here somewhere. It's simple. Just right click on the chart, copy it in your Word document, right click, and now you have paste options. A regular paste, embedded workbook, link data. And there you go, a quick and easy pie chart produced. See you in the next lesson.